How to see all of your liked posts on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. To see all of your liked posts on Facebook, open Facebook. Now on top right hand side of the screen, you can see Shorts icon. Click on that. Again click on this Shorts box and then search for your liked post. Make sure the spelling matches to that of video. So after typing, simply click on search. So these are all the posts that I have reacted to. Now you can simply scroll down to find all of the posts that you have reacted to. If this doesn't work for you, simply go back. Again click on the search icon. Now scroll down to bottom. Here you can see more to try on Facebook. So right below it, you will be able to see all these options. So simply click on your liked post. Here again, you will be directed to all of the posts that you have liked on Facebook. This is how you see all the posts that you have liked on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.